and grata. Naitwanga granda ama grata.
Grata.
And grata in the union. Whether you call off the union or not, you call off the strike or not, it has no legal nexus. So, Eliud Molenje, from today, you are not an official of this union. We don't even want your money. We will even expel you from the union because you have leprosy. This union does not want people with leprosy. Eliud Molenje, you have leprosy. We shall expel you from KNUN. Na hatutaki hiyo shilingi yako 500 kwenda ukule na mama yako. We don't want it. Stupid. Hatutaki hiyo pesa yako. The branch secretary has told you clearly, if I have not spoken and he has not spoken, the strike is on. You know, a strike is not something that you just wake up one day and say, we are going on strike. There is a formula. The law says you give a 7-day strike notice. We gave a 21-day strike notice. Going back to work requires a formula of going back to work. Oparanya, sahi ni mgonjwa, ako na tumor hapa kwa kichwa. Requires nurses care. Alatuambia ati sisi tunalipwa kuliko engineers ambao hawezi kutengeneza barabara hapa Kenya. This man is an idiot. Now tutaona kama engineers ndio watamtake care, saa ile wanatoa hiyo tumor. Na hiyo tumor yake hiyo Oparanya is useless. Now Oparanya is sick. I wish him quick recovery. But when he goes to theater, it is we the nurses who will take care of him. When he comes out of that theater to remove that tumor, it is we the nurses. Oparanya, I am happy that God has shown you the role of the nurses. Saa ile utakuwa huwezi kujifahamu, unajaharia. Tutakutoa mavi, tutakuweka napkin, tutakusafisha, tutakupaka Vaseline, usipate bed sores. We shall turn you 2 hourly. If you die, die in dignity. Ukipona, pona in dignity. We don't care. We shall die all of us. Lakini wewe kucheza na nurses, haki Mungu anajua. That is why he has punished you. Na ukikufa sitakuja bataka yako. Because you have abused us. You told us we are murderers. We are not murderers. We were trained to facilitate healing. We were trained to encourage death with dignity. But you Oparanya, umesema sisi nurses na doctors, clinical officers, we are murderers. Jana ukiwa hospitali, were those people who do care of you, are they murderers? If they are murderers, you will be dead by now. Thank you, Wambora. I spoke with you a few hours ago, and you told me you respect healthcare workers, and you want to have what we call conducive working environment. The strike in Kakamega County has been reloaded today. Huyu mwanamke anaitwa Faith Gitira is nothing in the union. She has no position. She's not even a member. Another man, sijui anakulanga wamenama nini anaitwa Rapanda, is not a member of this union. Another man called Luke Wawiri is not a member. This man, other from my place, Kaparas, no, Kaparas, we are like Karenjins. You know, Kaparas are generally Karenjins. We are people who have fixed minds. We are not cowards. At Molenje, at you call over strike, Molenje, who told you that? I have removed you from the union with the powers granted to me. I have suspended you 1 hour before you made that pronouncement. The strike in Kakamega County is still on. Any nurse who goes back to work without a return to work agreement. Oparanya, ulisikia Oparanya akisema kazi sio mama yako. Atutaondoka vile unataka na unarudi vile unataka. Kuondoka kazi, there was a formula. Strike notice. Kurudi kazi, there must be a formula. And the president has spoken about that. I want to make it very clear. that I am very happy that the Council of Governors realized that Oparanya was fighting local politics on a national platform. How can Oparanya fight Panyako on a national platform? That is why they elected Wambora, the chair. He's called me a few minutes ago and spoken. And that's as the chair of this UAG. That's why they elected Governor Wangamati Wycliffe Matapilu as the chair of the Human Resource and Labor. That's why they elected Governor Anyang Nyong as the chair of the Health Committee on COG, because they realized that whatever they have been having has been a misfit. You know, social misfit. Social misfit. How can Oparanya fight me, a son of Kakamega, a son of the soil? Strike bado inaendelea. Na mimi nakwambia we Molenje, utakaa hapa Kakamega, ukae kwa nyumba yako. Ukitoka kwa hiyo nyumba yako, nurses will ask you, where are you coming from? And where are you going? Because hii kazi tunayofanya si ya mama yetu. Kukua employed kwa county government of Kakamega ama Kirinyaga ama Mombasa ama anywhere, it is not our mother's job. You can't leave employment when you want and come back when you want. Kwa hivyo wewe Molenje, kwa sababu umepewa managerial position, nimekususpend na tunakuondoa kwa union, hata pesa yako hatutaki. Kwenda kabisa, tunakutoa hata kwa membership. We don't want your money. We don't want traitors. Thank you.
Asanteni.